Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, Olympic and World Championship silver medalist Shanika Ricketts, World Championships medalists Rochelle Clayton and Daniel Thomas Dodd were among several athletes to win on day 3 of the J3's National Championships at the National Stadium on Saturday. Denise Waters reports.
Two-time World Championships bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton retained her title in the women's 400-meter hurdles. Clayton posted 53.81 seconds to win ahead of Andrenet Knight 54.52 and Cheyenne Salmon 54.65. National record holder Rashawn Clark regained his national title in the men's equivalent, clocking a season's best 48.02 to win a second title in 3 years. Aseni Wilson was second, also in a season's best 48.42, while Malik James King, last year's winner, was the third in 48.49. Tyrese Taylor is the newly crowned men's 800 meters champion after winning the event in 1 minute 45.26. In the women's equivalent, Kellyanne Beckford, the first Jamaican across the line, won her first title after posting 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Meanwhile, in the field, Olympic and World Championship silver medalist Shanika Ricketts won a 7th title in the women's triple jump cut in the sand at 14.52 meters. 2024 World Indoors bronze medalist Kerry McLeod retained his national title in the men's long jump with a leap of 8.16 meters. Olympian Ralford Mullins won his first men's discus title with a best throw of 65.82 meters. And the 2019 World Championship silver medalist Daniel Thomas Dodd won a 10th national title in the women's shot put with a throw of 18.33 meters. Denise Waters for TVJ Sports.